This, ladies and gentlemen, it is a 24 karat gold plated Harbor Freight ratchet. What is going on, boys, and welcome back to another video. It is your boy Javi Vibes here, tuning in for another video. Before we get the video started, I just wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by Super Clean. If you guys have been seeing me use this product on my videos, you guys know how well this product is. So I will leave a link below where you guys can pick this up either on Amazon or you can go straight to their website and grab it. I stand behind this product. It is amazing. And if you go to the website, you can actually grab yourself a nice little camel hat like this one. For all you hunting guys, this would be pretty cool. I love it. I use them all the time. Anyways, let's get into what we came here for. I needed a ratchet and I went over to Harbor Freight. And I said, man, I need a low profile ratchet, and I actually need a 3/8. I have a lot of ratchets, but I don't have a low profile one. And we all know Harbor Freight, decent tools, amazing price, and they last, believe it or not. When I was introduced to Harbor Freight years ago, it was always that, man, these prices are so good. Are they gonna last? And they do. I've been using them for years, and they freaking do. So Harbor Freight brings out this special edition gold plated 24 karat special edition ratchet. It has 90 tooth. It has a 4-degree swivel arm, 4-degree arc swing for a better transition and a better handling of it. It is a low profile and a 3/8. Now, when you look at the actual here, where you look at the handle here, it actually tells you, when you can see it from here, it says R2 gold, 24 karat gold plated. My biggest disadvantage with this, I'll tell you now. Let's get to the unboxing. I am dying to open this up and see what it feels like. Now this becomes a pain in the behind to open this up, but once you're done with it, you can actually just store it here and throw it back in a drawer or put it in a safe if you want to store your 24 karat gold ratchet. So funny thing about this is I walked in the store, didn't see it anywhere in display in any of the aisles. So I go to the guy in the counter and I said, hey man, do you guys have the gold plated ratchet in stock? Because I saw you guys did. And the gentleman said, yes, we have. I have to go to the back and get it because people have been caught stealing these out of the stores just because it's 24 karat gold plated. But anyways, my biggest question is, will this fade when you have your hands full of oil and you're touching it and you're doing all this stuff to it? Will this fade? Because you don't know how thick this gold plated is, like how well it is. It is a 24 karat gold plated, so it should held up pretty good. Now, having 90 teeth will make the job a lot easier, and it is a low profile, as you guys can see here. I needed a low profile. Now, one of the things that stands out for me is this little button here. It's obviously black. It makes a nice little contrast with the gold, but it feels very good when you're clicking it. You guys can hear that. It seems very solid. Now, the previous ones I have from Harbor Freight are really good. I've been using them for years. They haven't given me any single problem, and I have put them through the test. And they're great. They're great for the price. Harbor Freight tools are great for the price. So this is heavy. You can feel this. This is extremely heavy. If I compare it to my other one and you put it on a weight scale, this is heavy. And the other one is the one that actually extends. So it should be a lot more heavier, but this definitely feels a lot heavier. Now,
it's a ticket talking Mazda for the figures. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the...
We click it. We hear it turning. It is super smooth. We go to the other way. Super smooth. Now, What is this going to be good for? This is going to be good for when I'm building a car and I want to flaunt to you guys that I got a 24 karat gold plated. This is what I'm going to use. And that's just me messing around. I'm probably not going to use this a lot. Like I said, I did need it a low profile. So for the small tight spots, I definitely will use it. But this seems to be very, man, this is heavy. This is real heavy. Like for a ratchet, for a 3/8 ratchet, this is super heavy. Like I just can't get over how heavy it is. All right, boys, so we have the weight scale here. So this is the vintage weight scale that I picked up. It's not so vintage, but it is from 91. It's pretty dialed in. So we're going to try the Stanley one first. And we have the Stanley one coming in at about 11 ounces, 10 and a half ounces. Now, retracting my previous statement, this one feels heavier than any of these. But for some reason, I think the extended one from Harbor Freight will weight a little bit more. Even though if I carry them both right now, it definitely feels heavier by just a little bit, but it feels heavier. So we get the gold plated one, and we're coming in at 12 ounces, just a little bit heavier than this one. Obviously is a little bit longer. And then if we go ahead and we put the Harbor Freight one, we are coming in at exactly a pound. So yes, that's what I thought. It is actually the Harbor Freight one with the extended. Eventually, yeah, it makes sense that it will come in a little bit heavier. It does have the handle and it has the two-way swivel. So yeah. All right, boys, so now that we know how much it weighs, let's talk about pricing for this bad boy. So this is the 3/8. This will run you up about $59.99. If you got a coupon from Harbor Freight, you could definitely get it cheaper. Coupons are always around for Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight is always running coupons, so you could definitely pick this up for way cheaper than $59.99. Now, the 1/4, it's $49.99. And it's pretty cool. I think this whole like little casing that it comes with is pretty neat. How you could just kind of just store it like this, you know, close it and store it, clean it whenever you're done using it. But I think I'm gonna leave this one for like special occasions. I still have my Stanley one and my older Harbor Freight. So when I went into the store, the gentleman told me, obviously, you know, they're in the back. People tend to steal them because it's gold, whatnot. There really isn't a lot of promotion behind this from Harbor Freight, at least that I know of. In the store that I went to, there wasn't any behind any glass or anything like that. They weren't on the aisles, you know, how the gentleman mentioned. He had to go get it in the back, but they were out of the 1/4. Now, he told me that they do have tons of these in the stores. So I think you could just go to your local Harbor Freight and pick this up. This is pretty cool. How it comes with a sticker telling you is authentic. And it's just nice. I think it's a pretty cool little pickup. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think about this. This is pretty cool. I needed it, to believe it or not. Not that I needed a gold one, but I needed it because I was definitely looking for a low profile one. Because if you can see this one, this is not low profile. This one is actually a little bit low profile, but it's actually thicker. And it does not have 90 tooth, how this one has. And the swivel is tending to kind of go bad a little bit already. So anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Is it worth 24 karat gold plated ratchet for $59.99? Or is this just something to flaunt or just to have and to, you know, inflate, how I like to call it. Anyways, remember to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell. Help your boy grow this channel. We get it to 10,000 subscribers. I've been noticing that one thing I learned about YouTube is that if you're not constant with YouTube, you're gonna get thrown down the pile and it's gonna be hard for you to climb. And I did take a break for about 7 months from uploading, and it's kind of been held back trying to come back. But we're doing it. We're coming back harder than ever, and we're still searching for that perfect project car that we got coming up. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe, and your boy is out.